Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am testing out the OWOW at home smoothing treatment kit. I filmed this video a few days ago. I tested out the kit. I let you know all of my thoughts as I was doing it. Brutally honest as always. So let's rewind. I'm going to show you exactly how I applied it. At the end I'll just give you guys my final thoughts and you can check out my hair after I've washed it for the first time. But before we start, I thought I'd just give you a little unboxing and tell you about the kit if you haven't heard of it. This is the OWOW at home smoothing treatment kit for instant silky smooth hair with one easy application. The results are meant to last up to 3 months and your hair is meant to dry frizz-free after every single wash. It restores dry and damaged hair. It cuts your blow dry time in half. It has natural ingredients and no side effects. And this kit is also formaldehyde free, sulfate and paraben free, 100% vegan, cruelty free, and comes in travel size. So now you've had your little tour, let's just jump straight into it. I'm gonna try and make this intro very quick because I'm working with natural light today and I only have about 4 hours to work with, so we're gonna speed on in. Today I am testing out the OWOW at home straightening kit. Now I have been requested to try this. You guys know I love an at home keratin treatment, and last time I made a video of this kind, I promised I would find you guys something that was vegan, formaldehyde free, all the goodness, and was UK based. I have found it, but also credit to you guys. I think we kind of just found this together. Group effort on this one. I love this packaging. This is so cute. Like, look at the inside. You get the shampoo, conditioner, and also the smoothing treatment. I've just used the shampoo and conditioner to wash and dry my hair, and this is where we are starting at today. I currently have zero Brazilian blow dry or keratin treatment on my hair at all. My hair has gotten very long. It's down to my waist. It is just, you know, it's kind of fluffy. Like, if you have curly hair and you do straighten it, you'll know that it can become quite fluffy. Like, just take a look at where we're starting. It is reacting to the rainy weather, which is not working for me because it's autumn and I live in England, so I just need this to not respond to humidity, and that's the reason why I do keratin treatments. They smooth out my hair so much. It is so much quicker to dry. It doesn't react to the weather, which is honestly one of the best things about it, and it just makes my hair a lot easier to manage. I do wear my hair straight most of the time, so for me, having a keratin treatment on it, it just works. So step one is you need to section off your freshly cleaned hair. It has to be completely dry. You are going to need some hair clips and just section it off into small sections. This is the application bottle. Now this is actually what made me think I really want to try this product. The very simple reason was it's a spray bottle. Now any other keratin treatment I've tried at home, you have to apply it with a small brush and you're literally painting it on your hair. The spray bottle is going to make it so much easier to apply. You literally just take your small sections, you spray it onto the hair, and then you grab a comb, which I do have, and you just brush it. You just comb it through your hair until that whole section is completely saturated. This is going to be the easiest application of all time. I'm so excited. You want to use the entire bottle for application. Now I'm very eager to see if this is going to be enough for all of my hair. So far so good. You only need a little bit of spray and it does seem to be spreading down my hair very easily. Oh, I feel like I should say, because I'm looking in the mirror now, if my eyebrows look really bold, it's because I only did my eyebrows and my concealer and then looked at the time and was like, I really need to start the video. So I've only half done my makeup, but also I have some new makeup arriving today and I really wanted to wear that, so I'm just holding out and waiting for my tinted moisturizer and my new mascara to arrive. So yeah, if you're looking and thinking I look a bit pale or just unfinished, it's because I am. I'm already absolutely loving the spray bottle. Like this is brilliant. So as you can see, it is saturating the hair really well. I'm actually quite surprised. I don't feel like I can't see in the bottle. I don't feel like I've used a lot. I kind of wish I could see in the bottle. Let me go ahead and finish applying this to my hair. I'm gonna be completely honest, the very end of this was quite stressful. I have the tiniest amount left in here and I would legitimately pay more for a clear bottle. I just think if the bottle was clear, I could keep track of how much I was using more. The last section of my hair I did is kind of like this crown section here, and I was low-key scared I was gonna run out of product. It was tense. I don't think I need more product, I would just want more product, but this is long hair problems. Like, a lot of people don't have the length of hair that I have, so I don't think this is going to be an issue for many people, and having a see-through bottle isn't essential. This is just my preference, and if I'm going to review this for you guys, I'm going to tell you everything I'm thinking. Application wise, this is the easiest application I have ever done when it comes to any at-home keratin kits. This is so much easier. I don't think I can go back to painting solution on my hair. I just don't think I can do it. I've experienced an easier life and I just want to, you know, stay on this good vibe. So now I just need to wait for 40 to 60 minutes because I do have a lot of hair and it is curly. I think I'm gonna go for the full hour. And then, this is interesting, you have to actually wash the treatment out completely. Now you do this with plain water, you're not using a shampoo or conditioner, just rinsing it out with water. But I'm really hoping that means, because I've used other kits and usually you have to like, the kit, you don't wash it out, you just dry it onto your hair and then you straighten it into your hair to seal it in. I'm hoping that because we are going to rinse this out, there's going to be like no fumes or anything. With some other kits, you do have to have a fan, you have to have your window open because the fumes are coming off the product and it can get pretty intense. Like if you tried other kits, it can be pretty intense, but we're rinsing this out, so I think this is going to be a lot better of an experience. I don't know, I'm excited to see. We've got a bit of sunshine now and I'm hoping to stay with me for a few more hours. Please, Mr. Sun, I need you. I have rinsed all of the solution out of my hair and now I'm going to blow dry it real quick and then we do the straightening at the end. Trying to get a good position so you can see all the hair. So I have done the blow dry. I did not have to open a window. I'm gonna open one now because it's kind of hot in here and it's a little bit steamy just from blow drying my hair, I guess. But that's such good news. I know from other kits that I've tried that sometimes it gets like kind of fumey in the room and your eyes can water and you need like so much ventilation. And I see you guys' comments on my past videos and you guys saying, oh my god, how are you not crying? Trust me, when I first started doing these kind of things, I was crying. But this, not a single fume. Like, I forgot I was doing a keratin treatment. I am so pleased. Like, my hair just after a really basic blow dry is already looking better. It took way less time to blow dry it than the first time round. So now I'm going to quickly finish off this whole process, and that is by sealing the treatment on my hair by straightening my hair. So they have instructed that I need to set my straighteners to 200 degrees Celsius and I need to go over very small sections of hair, each section 6 times. So you want a section, like I'm not even kidding, probably smaller than that, like a small section. The smaller sections you do, you know, the better. And 6 times on each section. Now it's starting to get darker, it's still day. I think I'm gonna lose the light, but let's just keep going and see how this goes. Okay, so I feel like you can kind of see the darkness. Like one side of the sky outside has gone dark, the other side is light. The sun is literally setting as we do this, so I'm going to try and make this really quick. I have just finished the entire process. It feels very, very sleek. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is super shiny. Oh my god, look at that. Cute. It feels longer. Like, I feel like I can't even get it all in the shot right now. I have to move back even further. But yeah, it's basically pin straight. It doesn't have any kind of smell. It honestly doesn't even feel like I did anything to it, which I really like. Previous kits that I have used, like sometimes afterwards, your hair can feel like a little bit thick. Like you can kind of still feel that there is something on it, but this just feels so super natural. Overall, this was a really good experience. I found it a lot more user-friendly than other kits that I have used. There was no like steam stinging my eyes. There was nothing. It was just, the only thing is it takes ages to do. I've been here for about 5, maybe 5.5 hours, which admittedly is an hour less than the last time I did this, even though my hair is longer. So I do think that this treatment, the OWOW treatment, is quicker than other kits that I've used. Like I got through it quicker, which I'm happy about. But if you do have really long hair, just, you know, this, I've spent the whole day doing this. The sun is literally going down. Yeah. Overall, I am very, very pleased. Okay, after thoughts, I'm trying to show you my full hair, but I honestly, it feels longer. It's really strange. I can't seem to fit it all in frame sitting in the same spot as a few days ago. So, I mean, we could awkwardly lean back for a bit. Let's just have a look. So I washed and blow dried my hair. I washed it all out. I used the OWOW shampoo and conditioner, and then I blow dried it in the exact same way that I blow dried it the very first time. I am using no products on my hair other than one tiny squirt of hair oil just at the end to finish it, and also obviously a heat protector. And this is the final hair. I want to do the shiny shake again. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My hair honestly feels exactly the same. It's really weird because it doesn't feel like I've done anything to it. It doesn't feel like I've put anything on it, but it's drying just so much nicer. Clearly, as you can see, it's a lot shinier, which I'm really pleased by, because usually the shine comes from the products. Whenever I wash my hair, I always do a deep conditioning mask. I love a good deep conditioning mask. I always use Moroccan oil. Like if you've watched my channel for a while, you'll know I'm obsessed with Moroccan oil, and I've really not put anything on it today, and it's still giving me shine. It's still like super smooth. So I'm really keen to see how it is when I do use my usual products. I think it's going to come out even better. I mentioned this a few times in the demo that I think this is the easiest application I've ever had for an at-home keratin treatment, and I still stand by that. Like this, I don't want to go back to any other treatment I've used. I just want to use this so I can use the spray bottle and get on with it. Next time I do this, I'm probably going to need 2 bottles. I really think this length of hair is the maximum, because I used up every single drop and I just about got my hair done. So if I don't cut it, I am gonna have to order 2 bottles for next time, but that's okay. Honestly, I kind of expected that, so I'm completely unbothered. The last thing I have to try is the flyaway control stuff. So I didn't want to use this while the treatment was still on my hair because I didn't want to mix them, but I've washed, I've completed, we are done. So I definitely have some breakage like around the top and around the front of my hair because I'm always messing it up with dance classes and stuff. So this is going to be perfect for me if it works. We've got a lot going on up here. We're going to target this, and maybe I'll put some like around the roots, around my forehead. What do we think? I think that's definitely made an improvement. This is definitely something I'm going to keep trying over the next week or two. So let me know if you guys want to see a mini review video on this. You know, I do my little short reviews. I could do one of these on this. Let me know if it's something you'd be interested in. I kind of think I've covered everything now. I mean, you can literally see my hair. You can see that, look at the shine. Look at how it's picking up the light. The before and after is kind of going to speak for itself, so I don't even feel like I have to explain this anymore. I like it. I'm gonna do it again. It's shiny. I think the only thing left now is just to see how long it lasts. You know, if you guys want should we do a 2-month update? So sometime in late January. If you guys want to see me do an update on this, leave me a comment and also like the video so I know that you guys are interested. But other than that, I think it's done. Let me know from the before and after pics if you guys see a big difference. I would love to hear your opinions. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.